You know the drill. Equipment breaks, work slips through the cracks. And suddenly you're behind. Again. But it doesn't have to be that way. Evolve FM brings order to the chaos. It's more than software. It's control, visibility, and a system that works. Evolve FM is built for how your team really works. On the go, across devices, and under pressure. Log in from anywhere. See what matters. Handle what's next. Every work order in one place. Submit it, assign it, track it, close it. No lost emails, no confusion. Just a clean, reliable workflow from start to finish. Tired of playing catch-up? Flip the script. With Evolve FM's preventive maintenance tools, you stay ahead, whether it's daily, monthly, or anything in between. Your equipment stays up, surprises stay rare. And when something does go wrong, reporting it is simple. Snap a photo, write a quick note, done. No special training, no extra licenses. The whole team is happy and stays safe. Want to know the best part? You already have the data. Evolve FM just helps you use it better. Track time, cost, performance, spot trends, solve issues, and make smarter calls, faster. Evolve FM isn't just another CMM mess, it's how you take back control of your day. Smarter tools, fewer headaches, real results. Smarter maintenance management starts here. See it in action. Contact us today for a personalized demo.